Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in today's video I will show you on how to share data on MTN to MTN. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer, and the next thing you want to do is to dial *777# hit enter on your MTN line. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type number 6, then hit on send. The next thing you want to do is to click on here and type number 2, hit on send. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead, click on here, type number 1, hit on send. Next thing you want to do is to click on here, type number 1, hit on send. Then go ahead and enter the recipient's MTN line. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter the recipient's MTN line. Go ahead and click on send. The next thing you want to do is to choose the amount you want to send. So I'm going to choose this and send. Next thing you want to do is to click on here, enter 1 and send. You have successfully gifted the so data to this particular number. It's that simple. So this is how to share or transfer data from one MTN to another MTN line. And you'll be given a notification message just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.